Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi on your TV. First, determine if your television is a smart TV with built-in Wi-Fi, or if it's an older model. Smart TVs can connect directly, while older sets will require an external streaming device. Ensure your home Wi-Fi network is active, and you have your network password ready for the setup process. For smart TVs, begin by navigating to your television's main settings menu, usually accessible via your remote control. Look for a section labeled Network or Wi-Fi Settings. Once there, you'll see a list of available networks. Select your home Wi-Fi network from this list to proceed with the connection. After selecting your network, you will be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password. Type it in precisely, paying attention to capitalization and special characters. Once entered, confirm the connection. If you encounter any difficulties, try restarting both your Wi-Fi router and your television. This often resolves minor connectivity problems. If you have an older television without smart features, you can still enjoy Wi-Fi connectivity using an external streaming device like a stick or box. These devices plug into your TV and provide access to all your favorite streaming services and apps. Connecting your TV to Wi-Fi opens up a world of entertainment options.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.